Today we will be doing the Quiz 2 review. Describe how to use random number generators to simulate the following performances. A basketball player has the ability to make 40% of his shots, and he takes 25 shots in a game. So we're going to do random int. 1, there are 2 digits in 40%, so 100. 25 shots in a game, so 25. You need to put what would be considered a success and what would be considered a failure. So 1 to 40 would represent made. And then 41 to 100 would represent a missed shot. A basketball player had the ability to make 75.2% of her free throws, and she takes 8 free throws in a game. So again, we start with random integer. We have 3 digits, so this would be 1,000, and she takes 8 shots, so the last number is 8. So in this case, 1 to 752 would represent a made shot. And 753 to 1,000 would represent a missed shot. At the end of the 2009 season, the Detroit Tigers were in the process of losing their lead in the American League Central Division of the Minnesota Twins. In fact, a single win in the last 3 games of the season would have given the Tigers the title. Unfortunately for Tigers fans, the team lost all 3 games and then lost an extra innings tiebreaker game to the Twins. During the last weekend of the season, Tigers star hitter Miguel Cabrera was taken to a police station after getting into a fight with his wife. When the police measured his blood alcohol content, it was 3 times the legal limit for drivers. He also went hitless in 11 at-bats during the last 3 games, even though he was hitting .323 for the season. What does it mean if we claim that Cabrera's ability to get a hit in 2009 was .323? So what it means is that if Cabrera were to hit in the same conditions, remember that's really important that you put same conditions, as 2009, indefinitely, which is also a major part. We would expect him to get a hit. .3% of the time. Describe how to use random numbers to simulate his 11 at-bats in the last 3 games, assuming his ability to get a hit was .323. So we would say random integer, 1 to 1000, 11, where 1 to 323 represents a hit. And 324 to 1000 represents a miss. Conduct 20 trials of your simulation and record the number of hits in each trial on a well-labeled dot plot. For your quiz, you will need to do this 20 times on your calculator. For this one, I went ahead and did it for us. This would be just an example. Make sure that you use all the numbers, don't skip. Based on the results of your simulation, do you have convincing evidence that his ability was lower in those final 3 games? If you look at my simulation, I had between 1 and 5 hits. He got 0. So in this case, we would say yes. Because 0 was not in the simulation.